What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to try to figure out why the tail light on this ATV isn't working. When we hit the brake lever, it doesn't light up back there. So we're going to be doing some electrical testing to make sure that this is getting power to the tail light. So really simple for this, we're just going to need a multimeter and we can hook this up to our tail light in the back. To get to our tail light, we're just going to rotate the light in the housing there itself, and then it will just pull right out. Then we can pull the bulb out. We can test the bulb here by checking for continuity. So this is the housing itself, and you can see that the bulb is burnt, and also the housing looks a little burnt on this as well. So we're going to test the housing for continuity through it, and first off we're going to check that we have continuity to our tail light plug. Alright, so we can just take our multimeter and we're going to connect it to the white and red wires here. Put that onto our DC there. And then when we turn the key on, we can hit the brake lever and we can check that we have the voltage back here and the tail light. That should show battery voltage. This battery is a little bit low on this. It's out in the cold. But we do have battery voltage at our tail light plug, so that is good. Go ahead and put the light assembly back on there. And then we'll just test for continuity through here. Plug in the light bulb housing there and we'll just check our multimeter again. Turn our key on and hit the brake lever. And you should have battery voltage, but I'm not seeing it. Check our connections. So I think this housing must be bad on this one. So I got a replacement housing, so we can stick this in and test it. And it already has a good light bulb, so we should just be able to see. Since we have voltage running to this plug here, we shouldn't have any issue. It should just light right up. When I hit the brake lever, yeah, there we go. And that just rotates into place there. Alright, so there we go guys, we got the light all fixed out. Just turned out to be a bad light housing. It looks like it just burned the connections a little. Who knows what happened with that, but now we've got our light working back there, and we're just about finished up with this ATV on fixing stuff on it and everything. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're going to be doing more videos with this ATV here and putting it up against the Alteras soon. So be sure to subscribe for that. If you missed the previous video, be sure to check them out here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.